Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and drive video for you on a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Now, this pretty little car features a 327 small block, automatic transmission. It has power steering, power brakes, and it also has factory air conditioning. This is a nice, clean, solid car. It's more of what I consider a driver quality 68 Camaro. Very, very nice, clean, driver quality car. I'll show you. It's got a few little imperfections in it, but all in all, a very, very nice car. Got a little chip here, got a couple little chips here, and we will touch these up, but I wanted to show you before we did. I don't see any real bubbles or blisters down below in the doors or quarter panels or anything like that. Undercarriage, very, very solid. It's got the Coker red lines on it with the rally wheels with the trim rings and caps. Very nice interior, houndstooth interior. Seats have been redone. The carpet's been replaced. Headliner, sail panels, and package tray all look very, very nice. Sun visors are there. Dome light is working. It is a deluxe interior car, so it's got the deluxe door panels. The glass in the car is all in good shape. The stainless trim and bright work around the windows is all in great shape. Bumpers are nice. You know, you got a few little imperfections in your bumpers. I mean, you can pick it apart if you want on the bumpers. Now, the paint is very nice on the car. When I'm saying driver quality, I mean, I was showing you little chips and stuff like I was showing you there. We've got one little chip here. You know, maybe it's, if you look real close, you can see it might be a little dry right here on the edge. You know, there may be a little speck of dirt, you know, a couple little specks of dirt somewhere. It wasn't a $50,000 paint job. The car probably had a, you know, $20,000 restoration. I guess you can't expect it to be perfect. Inside the trunk's very nice. I do have new rubber plugs coming for the trunk. Hi, buddy. Underneath the hood, you'll find a pretty much all original appearing engine bay. I did not check them numbers to see if it was numbers matching. The guy told me that it was, but if they're scraped off there, I'll look at it here and I'll post that on my website, whether if I find the results of that. But power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, 327 automatic. And you will see, you can see kind of right here, it's a little, if you stand back right here, you can kind of see a little spot there that just kind of looks like they must have spotted that in at one time. I'm not showing anybody that. I mean, it's not 100% noticeable, but I mean, I want to show you anyway. It's just a nice, clean old car. Super solid, nice driver quality car. Radio lights up, horn works, wipers work, dash lights work. The gas gauge is not but I had to look at the setting unit, the wire on that. Left turn, right turn signals both work. Cigarette lighter works. Hi, Isaac. My buddy's helping me today, so. Really sharp looking 68 Camaro. I'm gonna price this car in the 40s, high 40s, probably like 48.9 probably. I think that's a really good price for a Camaro, you know, a first gen Camaro with all the options this car has. I think that's a great price. Sounds good, runs good, looks good. Very nice, clean driver car. Ready to jump in and cruise and enjoy. Let's take her down the road for a spin. I'm going for a ride. Okay, get in. Isaac's crawling in too.
Yeah, I can hold it.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay, well when we get going down the road, I'll let you hold it, okay?
Does this have any seatbelts? No.
Here we go. That red button, okay?
Okay.
I got a helper today, folks. Isaac John, my little boy, is helping me. Man, this thing really runs down the road nice. Really good running car. Couple little bugs, like I say, the gas gauge, I'll check on that. I gotta put the little plugs in the trunk, but I mean, other than that, this thing's ready to go. Really good car. Drives nice, rides nice, speedometer works. What do you think, Isaac? Runs good, don't it?
Yeah.
It's a pretty car, too. Little 327 just runs like a top. What a very nice first gen Camaro. No shakes, no rattles, no squeaks. Just drives great. Check out the paint out the hood there. Isaac's showing you that. Really a good looking car.
Yeah, just
See that, man.
remember that there's a pedal over here.
I know, we don't want to run through that puddle, do we?
No.
No. I'll do a little walk around for you quick and then we'll go back to the shop. Really good car. Headlights, taillights, license plate lights, turn signals, they all work. Really good car. The air blows cold. Just a really great car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. This car really is a great car, everybody. Runs great, drives good, and it's affordable too. It's not going to be a $70,000, $80,000 car. So if you're looking for a first-gen Camaro, don't look any further. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll talk to you very soon. Say bye.